Well, today's the day. It's the last day, y'all. 30-day challenge. You made it all the way through if you're watching this video. And right now, what I need from you is your feedback. I got one more bonus that I'm going to hold off on. It's the written guides. So you got all the videos. You've seen all the videos. Those are the broken down messages from this source material that is the written guide. So you got the cliff notes. That's a little bit of written, but it's very short. It's not full. It's what they call useful but incomplete. And if you really want the complete course, you need to get the written guides. And all I'm asking for is your feedback. So honestly, if you tell me which modules you want to see the most written, I might post some of those right here. But if you want the whole course, I need your feedback. You can do that right here on this video. Let me know what you thought of the course, what you thought of the cake, what you thought of each video, however you want to do it. 1 and 2 sentences. Doesn't have to be anything major. But if you really want that last biggest bonus to really get all the source material, the most nuanced material for how to build your career as an indie musician, then let me just get your feedback. Hopefully you can do a video. Written is fine, but I'd love to see a video from anybody that's taking the course right now. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the course up for the next 30 days. So if you want to invite anybody, they can still do it for free, but I do need that feedback. And then at the end of the year, or at the end of this cycle, I'm gonna take it off. And then next year, it's gonna be charged. So thanks for doing the beta. I appreciate all of y'all. And hopefully you got a chance to level up way more than you started. So Darian Wakefall signing out. It's all about the level up. Peace.